Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. Basically, we're making the most of this snow. As you can see, I brought my VETTA KAROO out, my short course truck. We've come to a car park. It ain't snow, it's turned into ice, so we're gonna have a blast with that. See if we can get some drifts, do some whatever. I haven't had the VETTA KAROO out for weeks and weeks and weeks, so I thought it'd be fun to have a little blast in the snow before the snow disappears. So there we go, guys. I'm gonna spin you around and we're gonna crack on. Catch you in a sec. Here we go. The VETTA KAROO's over there. Nice little snow rip. Whoa, 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 it is slippy. Yeah, we come to this just a flat car park, to be fair. Yeah. Get the old drifts out, like I said, before the snow goes. VETTA KAROO ain't too powerful, to be fair, it's only on 2S. Well, hey. In the snow, in the thick snow. Look at that, look. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, like I said, this thing's a beast. Not very fast, only on 2S. It's good enough for the snow though. As you can see, I come in here sideways and the car ended up like that, and that's the way I left it. But here we go. Look at that, look. Yeah, short course trucks in the snow are very, very good. I've got a more powerful battery as well. I thought it's got smaller wheels, we'll go somewhere where the snow's turned into ice. This has got quite grippy tyres on it as well. They're Proline something. They're like snow tyres anyway. Right. Have a little rip through, go through the thick snow. Oh, we're getting stuck. This is the most I've played with my bashers in ever, because the snow come out. Yeah, there we go. Just wheel spinning, guys. Look, no traction. Tell you what we are going to do. If we go from over here, guys, all the way from the entrance, look. Get a nice big run up. There we go, look at that. All you need is a run up. Let's have a go over near this hump here. Very slidey. Like I said, these Proline tyres are really grippy, to be fair. They're quite good in the snow. Like I said, got to make the most of it. Oh, before it disappears, eh? Oh, not on the road. The only thing, the batteries don't last long in these when obviously you're on the ice, because all it's doing is wheel spinning. I should have put some slick tyres on it. Gotta have fun, ain't we, in the snow? I've got a fully charged battery ready to go in it again. So, whoa, nearly slipped over. So when it runs out, guys, we've got another battery to go in it. Like I said, just kills the batteries. Just like that. Should we see if we can do a little bit of a detour through the snow? I don't think we will, but let's go up there and go straight into the snow. Just this power system just takes a minute to pick the speed up. Oh yes. Oh, I think we're stuck. Oh, we're moving. Oh, we're moving. Slowly, look. Let's give it a little nudge. Yes, and we've undug us. Oh, we're stuck again. Now, I think this battery's going flat, guys, so I think what I'm going to have to do is change this beast. Let's put it on there. There we go. Yeah, battery's definitely going flat. Oh, well. Let's go put a fully charged battery in there, guys. Oh. Right, we're back on, and it seems like we have got loads and loads of power, to be fair now. Well, hey, that's how it's supposed to go, exactly like that. There we go, got a bit of an audience. Better now it's going properly. Look at them tyres ballooning, man. Look at them tyres ballooning, see that? See if we can get some drift. Yeah, it's actually got power now, guys. This is how it's supposed to be. Yeah, it's how it's supposed to drive. Got some good power now, guys. I knew this thing would be fun in the snow. There you go, come on, clip. Right, we're back on. We'll see how this does. I ain't talking much, guys, because there's a fella there, he's recording as well. Oh, so they're obviously fascinated. It could be someone else that wants to get into the hobby, you know. We'll go through the deep snow. Look at that, look, taking out the deep snow. Oh yes. Here it comes, guys. This thing's wicked in the snow, I'll tell you. Look at that, look, sitting there spinning on the ice. That is proper icy, guys. Oh yes. Yeah, you could have loads of fun on this, guys. Seriously, loads of fun. Look at that. Ballooning them old tyres. Listen to it, man. Look at that, look. Spinning on the spot. Look at that. Yeah, that's the old tyre balloon he's rubbing on the body. God, guys, look, we're going to have so much fun with this thing then. I think one of the old tyres. There you go. Yeah, there you go, guys. That is obviously going to be the end of that one. That was absolutely wicked. That was a wicked session. A wicked drifting session that was. So yeah, boys, just checking the car, guys. But yeah, it's fine. I think it's fine. Oh god. There we go. Turn the car off. Right. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. That was actually a banging video. I love that. In the snow, got to make the most of it before the snow disappears. It's not going to be around forever, guys. So that's exactly what we have to do, make the most out of the snow. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you lovely people in the next video. Please take care. It's slippy out there. See you soon.